Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda, and today we are going to be making the easiest, most delicious s'mores brownie pie. For this recipe, I really like using Ghirardelli's dark chocolate brownie mix. So you're going to combine the brownie mix, 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Mix well until your brownie batter has formed. Next, you're going to pour your brownie batter into a large pre-made graham cracker crust. The one I'm using today is 10 inches. You're going to bake your brownie pie in an oven that's been preheated to 325 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your pie is done baking, allow your pie to cool down completely. Next, we're going to completely top our brownie with some large marshmallows. I'm using about 8 ounces of marshmallows. Arrange them across the top of your pie, and then we're going to put this back in the oven. You're going to set your oven to broil on medium heat, and it's only going to broil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until your marshmallows get nicely toasted on top. Our s'mores brownie pie is done. It's delicious, it's decadent, and perfect for the summer. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.